Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Woodworking Zone. Today, we're diving into a question that many woodworking enthusiasts ponder. Can woodworking be a viable career? Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this video is for you. We'll explore the potential paths, challenges, and rewards of turning your passion for woodworking into a full-fledged career. So, grab your favorite wood glue, and let's get started. 1. The growing demand for handcrafted woodwork. First off, let's talk about the demand for handcrafted woodwork. In a world dominated by mass-produced items, there's a rising appreciation for unique, handmade pieces. From custom furniture to artisanal crafts, consumers are seeking out the authenticity and quality that skilled woodworkers can provide. 2. Diverse career paths in woodworking. Now, let's explore the diverse career paths within the woodworking industry. It's not just about creating furniture. Woodworking careers can include carpentry, cabinetry, woodturning, and even specialized fields like luthiery for crafting musical instruments. The possibilities are vast, allowing you to find a niche that aligns with your passion and skills. 3. Education and skill development. Building a career in woodworking requires honing your skills. Whether you're self-taught or have formal education, continuous learning is key. Many trade schools, community colleges, and apprenticeship programs offer avenues for aspiring woodworkers to enhance their craftsmanship and gain the necessary skills to thrive in the industry. 4. Challenges and solutions. Of course, like any career, woodworking comes with its challenges. Competition, pricing, and market saturation can be hurdles to overcome. However, by building a strong portfolio, networking within the woodworking community, and staying adaptable to market trends, you can navigate these challenges successfully. 5. Success stories. Now, let's draw inspiration from real success stories. We'll share anecdotes of individuals who turned their passion for woodworking into a fulfilling career. These stories can offer insights, motivation, and practical tips for those considering a similar path. 6. Monetizing your craft. Let's talk about the money. Monetizing your woodworking skills can take various forms: selling your creations online, collaborating with local businesses, or even offering woodworking classes. We'll explore different avenues for turning your passion into a sustainable source of income. So, can woodworking be a career? Absolutely. It's about finding your niche, continually improving your skills, and embracing the entrepreneurial spirit. If you're passionate about woodworking, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. What are your thoughts on pursuing woodworking as a career? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more content, and as always, keep crafting those dreams. See you in the next video. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy woodworking.